How's it going, guys? Today we have an Inland M1 Carbine 30 cal. It's got that nice, I think that's a 15 or 20 round mag. It's in spectacular condition. I don't know if you can get there just in the picture, but it manufactured in 1943. Looks like December 1243. It looks like it may have had, well, I mean, it definitely has been refinished. Whether or not the stock is original, we're not entirely sure, but the stock is very nice. It looks like it has had a lacquer put on it, so it gives it a little bit more of a glossy look than a typical surplus rifle. But everything looks to be pretty original nonetheless. There's a surplus sling included as well. This guy's going to be posted on our website. It'll be on the website for a couple weeks, and then it'll be posted onto Gunbroker if it doesn't sell. So make sure to go to the website, make an offer, see what you can get out of this, and then if you want to wait for it to hit Gunbroker and do the classic auction style, then feel free to do that. But don't miss out on this. It is a pretty cool rifle. Again, this is an Inland M1 Carbine.